purple. And what is the shape of the brinjal? You have to make it, roll it and make it in an oval shape and then press it at the top. Okay, keep it here. Now we will make the head of the brinjal. Now roll this green color and make it long, little in a rectangular shape. Okay, now we'll keep it here and we'll cut it in a zigzag manner. Okay, like this, V shape. Okay, V shape, like this, give it a V shape. Okay, now remove this. See, this is what you get. Okay, then now we put it on the top of the brinjal head like this. Okay, and we will press this, and this thing we have to press it and make it little long. Okay, so here's your brinjal ready.